Hey everyone! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into the world of cars. And today, we're talking about one of the most exciting EVs coming our way, the 2026 BMW i4. This all-electric Gran Coupe is getting some serious upgrades for 2026, including more power, better range, and subtle refinements inside and out. So buckle up, because we're breaking down everything you need to know about this incredible machine. Let's start with what's changed for 2026. First off, BMW has introduced a new flagship model, the i4 M60. Replacing the old M50, this beast now pumps out an insane 592 horsepower in sport mode. That's a whopping 56 horsepower increase. If you love speed, this thing will absolutely fly. But it's not just about raw power. The engineers at BMW have also made improvements under the hood. The new inverter uses advanced silicon carbide semiconductors, making the system more efficient. That means less energy consumption and, drumroll please, a modest bump in driving range across the lineup. And let's not forget the aesthetics. While last year saw a minor facelift, the 2026 i4 continues with subtle tweaks. Think redesigned grilles, updated LED headlight signatures, and fresh alloy wheel options. Oh, and rumor has it, there might even be laser light tech available for the rear lights. How cool is that? Now, when it comes to choosing your perfect i4, BMW hasn't skimped on variety. For 2026, you'll have 3 trims to pick from, each catering to different types of drivers. This rear-wheel drive beauty packs a single motor producing 335 horsepower. It's smooth, efficient, and perfect for everyday cruising. If you want all-wheel grip without sacrificing too much efficiency, this dual-motor setup delivers 396 horsepower. Ideal for those who crave a bit more oomph but still value practicality. With its dual motors cranking out 592 horsepower, this performance flagship redefines what an electric Gran Coupe can do. Expect lightning-fast acceleration, razor-sharp handling, and a driving experience that'll leave you breathless. Inside, the 2026 i4 keeps things modern and tech-forward. You've got the stunning BMW curved display dominating the dashboard, a seamless combination of a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a massive 14.9-inch control display. Running on BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 software, it's intuitive, responsive, and packed with features. The cabin itself gets minor updates aimed at enhancing comfort and digital engagement. Premium materials, ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating ensure every ride feels special. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a road trip, the i4's interior wraps you in luxury. So, how much does all this innovation cost? Well, the 2026 BMW i4 starts around $60,000 for the base eDrive 40 model. Step up to the xDrive 40, and you're looking at mid-$60K territory. But if you really want to splurge, the top-tier M60 comes in at an estimated $72,000. Production kicks off in July 2025, with deliveries expected shortly after. Considering the performance, range, and cutting-edge tech, these prices are pretty competitive in the EV market. There you have it, the 26 BMW i4. With its powerful new M60 variant, improved efficiency, and refined design, this Gran Coupe proves that going electric doesn't mean sacrificing excitement. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a performance junkie, or just someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, the i4 has something for everyone. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car content. Let me know in the comments, would you take home the 2026 BMW i4? Until next time, keep chasing those dream rides.